In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bjorgum SuperScript in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the indicator added to your chart and ready to customize, so you can start using it in your own trading workflow right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, or index. It really doesn't matter for this setup. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the platform for the indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on indicators to open the indicators and strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community script. Click into that search bar so your cursor is active there, and then type the name Bjorgum SuperScript. Make sure you spell it correctly so TradingView can find the script without any issues. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching results just below the search box. Look through the list until you see Bjorgum SuperScript appear. Once you see it in the results, click on it one time. That single click will automatically add the script to your current chart. You should notice new lines, labels, or signals appear on the chart right away, depending on how the script is designed. Now that the script is added, you'll want to adjust it so it fits your personal style and strategy. On the chart itself, find the name of the indicator, usually shown at the top left corner of the chart area or in your indicator list. Next to that name, you'll see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel for Bjorgum SuperScript. Inside the settings, you'll be able to tweak inputs such as lengths, sensitivities, or other custom parameters the author has provided, as well as visual options like colors, line thickness, and which elements you want visible. Take a moment to read through the available options and adjust them to match your preferences and trading style. After you've made your changes, click OK or close the settings window, and your chart will update with your new configuration. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, or you're using the free version and want to unlock more features for indicators and alerts, you can use the link in my video description to sign up. Once you're set up with Pro, repeat these same steps to add Bjorgum SuperScript to any chart you like.